everybody, and my name's Isaac Husky, if you did not know. And today we were doing a kind of a DIY slime, kind of like Play-Doh-ish thing. I just saw another video, so I'm going to try out that little slime very fast because it's super easy and I just forgot something. I'll be right back. Oh, sorry, I forgot my stove, which is the one that I just watched. And I have kind of other things. This is my other one that I did. This is really easy. Water. I forgot another thing. Wow. But I would color. That's what I forgot already. But I have, I think, everything up. It's just, I'm doing it in the bathroom because my brother's doing a song out there. And my brother was doing a song last time. And I couldn't really go in the bathroom or anything. And I got a notification thing. And so I'm going in the bathroom. But yeah, this is it. It's only with flour and water. Super easy. It's kind of a video. Always use it in a plastic bag because then it will dry out if it doesn't. So I'll be right back because I'm going to get my coloring. And you're asking where's the bowl. I have a little plate and then a mixing container. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with the food coloring. Okay, start off the first one and see. I'm just going to put the plate aside. So I have a cup here and the garden cup. So it's kind of in the clear cup, so sorry. I've got my thing of water and then my faucet's right over there. So in case I need it anymore. So as I saw it, I'm just going to do it exactly like her. So they had flour. I'll show you all the things. They had flour on the bottom, so I'm just going to show you that. Flour on the bottom. Sorry if it's a little bit noisy. Because it might be a little bit echoey because I'm in the bathroom, of course, and I have the door closed. Okay, and then soap was the next thing, and it was just all on the top. So it's really hard to do soap like the opposite way. Here, you actually do this. Yeah. Okay, I'm putting like a lot of soap because I think that's okay. I think that's okay. The other is very fast. Oh, of course I dumped it. Okay, I'm gonna get like a knife. I have a knife and a whisk, but I don't really want to use the whisk. So she just said, put in a little bit of water and then mix it. So I don't know if I need. Yeah, I probably. Oh, it's making like wow. Wow, with these. I might need a little bit more soap. That actually is pretty good. I totally forgot my. Actually, I have gloves right down here. This is where I get my gloves from. So I don't have to get them. Oh, this is a tiny one. There's another tiny one. No other tiny one. Dang it. But maybe there is a tiny one in here somewhere. I just don't know where it is. There's a tiny one. Please, it's a tiny one. It's not a tiny one. Is it a tiny one? I don't know. I'm just gonna use two ones. These two, I guess. And because it's really easy to mix it, so the light is changing color. I just noticed that. Maybe I noticed that in my last video. Probably did actually. Okay, so I'm gonna get the thing, and you can actually see me mix it now. Okay, I'm gonna actually get it out, and it's making a mess. Wow, okay, that's bad. Don't worry, I can clean up this mess. Thick flour dough stuff. Just gonna put it back in there. Can't do that. I don't know yet. Oh sorry, I'm kind of blocking. So I'm kind of having it in my face, and then I can have a talk time. So I'm just telling you, you just kind of put flour and water. I just saw 59 second, 50, 57, 50, no, yeah, 57, in a second video. And you're like, what? I didn't even know it was that short, so don't blame me. And it's just like this guy, put water, mix. Oh my gosh, we'll go this weird slime. I'm like, okay, I'll try that for my video, I guess. The other one I do know how to do, so don't worry, it won't be like this. So I'm gonna wash off my gloves first. BRB. Okay, I'm back. They're a little bit wet. I might dry them off a little bit so they won't be as wet. They might just got a little wet inside. But don't worry, I'm just gonna dry them off this time. They're like, why are you washing gloves? So just because to not use all my gloves, because my mom just went to the doctor and she got me gloves. Because that's what I always like to do when I come to the doctor. Go to the doctor with my mom. So I didn't go that one time, so she gave me gloves. Yeah, so. Okay, I guess I should put some more soap, I'm not sure. If we should put like, we're gonna put a TT. Okay, I might have to go eat because it's like lunchtime. Yeah, well, I don't even know what time it is. What time is it? 5. Can you guys see this? I don't know. Okay, it's 4:45. It's 4:45. It's just at lunchtime outside. Sorry about the camera movement. Oh, that's a little bit better actually. Okay. And actually, the thing's a little bit more inside. Okay. So I'm gonna get all this stuff off and then do it with my hands a little bit more. I just want to get tan. You guys see that gloves, so okay, with that kind of weird mushy stuff. Yes. Okay, I have to go eat lunch. B.O.B. It's the exact yummy. Okay, I'm back. Just ate like a little snack. Oh yeah, I'm back. I just ate a little bit of a snack. Snack. Okay, this kind of made a weird concoction, kind of, so the judges probably know. But this, okay, let's get on with it. So, we have enough time. So first, we're going to have, whether it's like a little tiny bit of water, just only like a tiny bit, because I'm doing another sample, so it's only a little tiny bit, that much. And we're gonna dump. We're dumping it like this. I don't know what it is though. Call it like a teaspoon here. We need a little bit more water. There. Okay. Now get everything to start. Oh, and we can also add color here. If you guys want to, I'm going to give a giveaway for this dough and maybe the other cup dough. So right now it's looking like the cup dough, but don't worry, it won't be like it. Let's tell me. Okay, so I'm just going to add just a tiny bit more water. I don't know if I've given it. But yes, I'm going to be doing a giveaway with these Play-Doh and maybe even a special one that I kind of ruined, but then I recreated again. And it will be coming with a plastic bag and it will be colored. So I will be doing a few different colored ones. And yeah, because I know mostly guys watch it. I don't know, Fred, if you're watching this. I don't know, I might make one blue one. I do have a green one. Yeah, I do have my green one. But that's my trusty sidekick. Yes, I can't give that chesty sidekick to you. So, I'll be right back when I'm done mixing. And I'll show you when it's ready. Okay, guys, I am back. So, I noticed that it wasn't the same kind of flour. I changed it. It's a kind of like a cooking more flour for more like doughish things. And, really hard to do it like the same as my green one. I'll show you a little bit of my green one and what it does. But I put that one in the fridge. I thought it was, I just mixed it with colors. It got really messy. I accidentally put it on my face. And I cleaned it with my hands. It was so gross and messy in here. And it still is. Sorry you guys can't see me, but I'm moving so you guys can see me wash my hands. So I'm washing my hands, and yeah, it's just really gross and stuff. So just dig it out. This is just another example. Throwing that away now. So messy, and I had to use some of my dad's peel wax because to like Regent's healthy, then it would be too sticky, and then it would just be really weird. Every kind, I have a bunch of ones over here. Mostly bubbly ones. Yeah, but you guys should think it's not good. Like, you have to clean it up. And sometimes you like this and clowns and bath balls, maybe. I should really like that. This really gross of color. I think it would be okay. I'm sure. Let me show you guys what it looks like, what the sink looks like. Oh, you guys can't see that. That's all different kinds of gross things. Okay. But yeah, it's gross, totally. So I'm just gonna show you a little bit. Put all the dirtiness over here, sorry. Put it over here. Okay, let's get out, open my thing. I'm waiting for this. So this is my Magic Cleaner 3000, you can also call it. But he's also my trusty one-man hand guy. So he also needs sometimes regenning and stuff like that. So make sure you always have like a little bit of water to put it on him, and then he'll get a little more muddy and kind of a little bit gross. But then he has some water in him, and then that's better. But he's way better if you put more flour on him and stuff. Oh my gosh, he's super messy. I'm sorry. This isn't how he's supposed to go. I'm sorry. I guess BRB is just really messy. BRB. You know what I'm doing right next? Taking a shower. So you guys, that was kind of my DIY thing. Wasn't too much because it didn't go out too well. So it's just kind of gives you something. But I am doing a giveaway, and I don't really know of what. You can give me some suggestions and also comment your name in the comment section below for you to pick. For me to pick one of you. And you guys check out my channel, hashtag Markiplier, of course. He's really cool. Go check out his channel, Jacksepticeye, all different kinds of girls, and Pete, and Brittany44, and all kinds of people. So I still have it. I cleaned up a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Looks a little bit better. Okay. I washed some more down the drain. But yeah, it's about almost time. So bye, you guys. My name's Tyson Hayowski. Comment in the comment section below to get your thing, and comments for suggestions. Not too big of things, just regular things in your house. Bye.